Good day, ma'am, mga buddies. I'm Lawrence Angeles Pastor from Realpa. So, my topic is the function and organization of BGMP. So, let's proceed to the introduction. The Bureau of Jail Management and Penology is one of the three main bureaus under the Department of the Interior and Local Government, or DILG, in the Philippines. Its primary role is to manage city, districts, and municipal jails, especially those where individuals are either awaiting trial or serving sentences of 3 years or less. The BGMP was created to ensure proper jail management at the local level. One of its most important responsibilities is to maintain public safety by making sure that persons deprived of liberty or PDLs are securely and humanly handled. In addition, the BGMP plays a key role in helping PDLs integrate into society. This means they provide programs such as education, skills training, and moral development to help former inmates become reproductive and law-abiding citizens. Once they are released, the BGMP is not just a custodial agency but also a rehabilitative institution that gives inmate a second chance at life. Next is the legal basis and creation. The BGMP was created pursuant to Republic Act number 6975, also known as the DILG Act of 1990. This law formally transferred the supervision of jails from the Philippine National Police to a distinct bureaus with a focused mandate. The creation of BGMP was the recognition of the need for a specialized agency that would deal specifically with the complexities of jail management, separate from regularly police duties. This law officially transferred the supervision and management of jails from Philippine National Police to separate and specialized agency, the BGMP. The creation of the BGMP recognized the need for a dedicated institution that would focus especially on the complexities of jail management, independent from the regular duties of the police. Unlike the PNP, whose responsibilities are broader and include crime prevention and law enforcement, the BGMP was given a focused mandate to manage jails effectively and professionally. This move aimed to ensure that PDLs are handled in a more secure, humane, and organized manner, while also improving the overall safety and efficiency of the country's correctional system. So next, mandate and core function. The BGMP is mandated to take full operational and administrative control over all district, city, and municipal jails in the Philippines. Its core function include the safekeeping of PDLs, ensuring their secure and humane custody, and the implementation of rehabilitation program aimed at reforming and preparing inmates for reintegration into society. The BGMP also maintains order and discipline within jails, enforcing rules to prevent violence and unrest. In addition, it ensures the protection of the rights and welfare of PDLs, providing access to health care, legal assistance, and religious and educational services, all in accordance with national laws and international standards. The BGMP balances security with rehabilitation, contributing to a more human and effective correctional system. Next one. The vision and mission of the BGMP. The BGMP operates under a clear vision and mission that guide its policies, program, and daily operations. Its vision, a dynamic institutional committed to humane safekeeping and development of PDLs, reflects its dedication to involving a responsive and reform-oriented agency focused on the humane treatment and rehabilitation of PDLs. So the mission is to enhance the BGMP missions is to enhance public safety by providing humane safekeeping and development opportunities to PDLs in all districts, cities, and municipal jails nationwide through responsive and professional jail services. This emphasized that agency dual role, protecting the public through secure custody and supporting inmate transformation through developmental programs. These guiding principles promote professionalism, accountability, and respect for human rights, which are crucial in building public trust and ensuring that jails are not just places of detention but also centers for rehabilitation and positive change. The BJMP continuously reforms its practices to align with national goals and international standards, ensuring a correctional system that is both secure and humane. Next. Next is the organizational structure. The BJMP is led by a chief jail director supported by two deputy chief of one for administration and one for operations. Under their leadership are specialized directorates responsible for key functions such as logistics, human resources, operations, reformation, and health services. The structures promote efficiency and specialization, with each division focusing on specific operational goals. Regional offices oversee district, city, and municipal jails and report directly to the national headquarters, ensuring uniformity and accountability across all levels of the organization. Next is the recruitment regional and local operations. The BJMP operates 17 regional offices, each led by a regional director. These offices oversee and supervise all district, city, and municipal jails within their respective jurisdiction. At the local level, jail wardens manage the daily operation of jails, ensuring the proper safekeeping, welfare, and development of PDLs. The decentralized structure allows regional units to address local issues effectively while still following the national policies and standards set by BJMP headquarters. It ensures both localized responsiveness and centralized policy direction, contributing to efficient and consistent jail management across the country. Next is the recruitment and training. The BJMP places strong emphasis on the recruitment and training of its personnel to maintain high standards of professionalism and integrity. Applicants undergo a strict selection process to ensure that only physically fit, mentally capable, and morally upright individuals are accepted into the service. Once selected, recruits undergo intensive training at the National Jail Management and Penology Training Institute, or NJMPTI. The training covers a wide range of subjects, including human rights, crisis management, inmate behavior and psychology, and legal procedures and jail operations. This foundational and specialized training equips jail officers with the knowledge and skills necessary to manage jails effectively while upholding ethical standards and respecting the rights of PDLs. Through this rigorous training program, the BJMP ensures that its personnel are competent, disciplined, and responsive to the demands of jail service. Next is the safekeeping of inmates. One of the core responsibilities of the BJMP is the safekeeping of PDLs. This involves ensuring that inmates are held in secure, controlled environments to prevent escapes, violence, and other security breaches. To fulfill this mandate, the BJMP implements strict security protocols including 24/7 personnel deployment, CCTV surveillance system, lockdown procedures, and routine inspection. Inmates are also subject to risk assessment and classification, which help determine with their level of security and the type of housing and supervision they require. These measures aim to maintain order and safety within jail facilities while respecting the rights and dignity of all inmates, ensuring both institutional security and public safety. Next. Inmate and Development and Reformation. The BJMP prioritizes the development and reformation of inmates as a key component of its mandate. The BJMP implements a variety of programs aimed at equipping PDLs with the necessary knowledge, skills, and values to reintegrate successfully into society upon release. Among these programs, the Alternative Learning System or ALS, Vocational and Technical Education Livelihood Program, and Values Formation Initiatives. These programs are designed to enhance inmates' educational background, workplace skills, and personal growth, preparing them for meaningful post-release opportunities. Particular emphasis is placed on preparing inmates for employment or entrepreneurship, providing them with the tools to achieve financial independence and reduce the likelihood of reoffending after their release. Next is the health and medical services. The BJMP is committed to ensuring that inmates receive adequate health care while in custody, in line with their rights to health and dignity. Jail clinics located within correctional facilities are staffed by qualified health professionals, including doctors, nurses, and medical personnel to provide routine care and emergency medical services. The BJMP works closely with the DOH and local government units to support its health initiatives. These partnerships help facilitate access to a wider range of medical resources and services. Inmates benefit from regular health checkup, vaccination drives, mental health services, and medical referrals for more specialized care when needed. These efforts are aimed at ensuring the physical and mental well-being of PDLs while promoting a healthy, safe, and humane environment within jails. Next is the gender sensitivity and vulnerable groups. The BJMP prioritizes gender sensitivity approaches in its operation to ensure that the diverse needs of inmates are addressed appropriately. Female inmates are provided with dedicated facilities that cater to their specific needs, while pregnant women and mothers with children receive specialized care to ensure their well-being. The female inmates, the BJMP also implements protective measures for other vulnerable groups, including LGBTQ inmates, persons with disabilities, or elderly inmates and minors. The BJMP ensures that these groups are treated with respect, dignity, and care in accordance with national laws and international human rights standards. This approach reflects the BJMP commitment to fostering a safe, inclusive, and humane environment with jails where the rights and needs of all individuals are respected. Next is the human rights and legal access. The BJMP is committed to upholding the human rights of PDLs. It ensures that PDLs are aware of their rights and can effectively assert them. To support this, the BJMP provides legal counseling and paralegal assistance to inmates and coordinates with the Public Authorities Office or PAO to offer legal representation. Inmates also have access to grievance mechanism allowing them to report violations of their rights. BJMP policies ensuring that inmates are protected from torture, discrimination, and inhumane treatment in full compliance with the Philippine Constitution and international human rights treaties. This focus on legal access and human rights protection ensures that inmates are treated fairly and justly, reflecting the BJMP's commitment to justice, equality, and the rule of law. Next is the community relations and linkages. The BJMP actively fosters community engagement by partnering with volunteers, non-governmental organizations, and faith-based groups. This collaboration plays a vital role in enhancing rehabilitation programs and providing emotional and spiritual support to inmates. Through these communities linkages, BGMP strengthens the rehabilitative environment within jails and helps inmates with their personal development and integration into society. Additionally, these efforts improve the public perception of the jail system, demonstrating a commitment to reformation, human rights, and community involvement. Next is the programs of families of inmates. The BGMP recognized the vital role of family in the rehabilitation process of inmates. To support this, BGMP offers various family-oriented programs including family visitation and e-dalaw, virtual visits, which allow families to maintain regular contact with their loved ones. Additionally, the BGMP facilitates family therapy sessions to help strengthen familial bonds and provide emotional support to both inmates and their families. This initiative play a crucial role in reducing stress, supporting behavioral improvement among inmates, and contributing to their successful reintegration into society upon release. Next, infrastructure and facility improvement. To address jail congestion and poor condition, the BGMP has prioritized infrastructure upgrades and the construction of new model jails. Overcrowding in facilities leads to health risks, safety issues, and inhumane detention, so expanding existing jails and building new ones is essential. Modern jails are designed with proper ventilation, sanitation, lighting, and space to ensure human living conditions for PDLs. These facilities also include areas for rehabilitation programs such as education and livelihood activities. In addition, the BGMP is upgrading older facilities to meet current safety and operational standards. This improvement enhance the efficiency of jail management, reduce risks for both PDLs and staff, and support BGMP's commitment to uphold human rights and promote rehabilitation. The BGMP's infrastructure efforts aim to create safer, more humane, and more effective jail environments across the country. Technology and innovation. To modernize jail operation and improve efficiency, the BGMP continues to integrate advanced technology into its system and daily operations. These innovations aim to enhance security, promote transparency, and support the rehabilitation of PDLs. One key development is the Inmate Management Information System, or IMEIS, a digital database that centralizes inmates' records, track their movement, and monitors case statuses. This helps streamline processes, reduce errors, and make data more accessible for authorized personnel. Biometric registration has also been implemented to accurately identify and verify inmates, reducing the risk of identity-related errors and ensuring proper management. In addition, electronic monitoring systems are used to improve surveillance, track inmates' activities, and maintain order within facilities. To support education and staff development, BGMP has adopted e-learning platform enabling both PDLs and personnel to access training and learning materials remotely. Meanwhile, digital record keeping improves documentation and reduces reliance on paper files, increasing efficiency and security. CCTV systems have been widely installed in jails to monitor facility operations, prevent incidents, and ensure accountability. These systems are vital in promoting a secure and ensure accountability. These systems are vital in promoting a secure and transparent environment. The BJP use of technology not only strengthens jail management but also enhances transparency, accountability, and rehabilitation efforts across the entire correctional system. Next is the budget and resource management. The BJP operates under budget allocated through the General Appropriations Act or JA. This funding supports like its core function, including jail operations, personnel salaries, rehabilitation programs, and facility maintenance. However, the BJP faces ongoing financial constraints, particularly in maintaining overcrowded facilities, upgrading infrastructure, and investing in the professional development of its personnel. Limited resources often challenge the agency's ability to fulfill, implement reforms, and improve detention conditions. To address this limitation, BJP engages in strategic planning aimed at prioritizing critical needs and minimizing the impact of available funds. The agency also actively seeks budget augmentation through legislative proposals and appeals to the national government for increased support. Additionally, BJP builds partnership with stakeholders including local government units, LGUs, or non-governmental organizations or NGOs, and international donors to gain access to additional resources, technical assistance, and program funding. Despite budgetary challenge, BJP continues to improve its operation through careful resources management and collaborative efforts to enhance the welfare of PDLs and ensure effective jail administration. Next is the performance evaluation and reforms. To ensure effective and accountable jail management, the BJP implements a system of performance evaluation and continuous reforms. Central to this approach is the use of key performance indicators, KPIs, and internal audit mechanisms that measures operational efficiency, policy compliance, and the overall impact of BJP programs. Through regular performance assessment, the Bureau identifies strengths, addresses weaknesses, and ensures that all jails units adhere to national policies and standards. These tools also support transparency and help prevent measures of resources or lapses in duty. In addition, BJP pursues institutional reforms that align its practices with international standards such as United Nations Standard Minimum Rules for the Treatment of Prisoners, the Mandela Rules. These reforms focus on improving conditions for PDLs, protecting human rights, and promoting rehabilitation. The Bureau actively responds to critical issues such as jail overcrowding, corruption, and human rights violation. Reform initiatives include infrastructure improvement, professional training, ethical governance, and enhanced inmate programs. In summary, BJP commitment to performance evaluation and reform ensures that the organization involved to meet modern correctional challenges, uphold justice, and maintains public trust. Next is the challenges and opportunities. The BJP faces several persistent challenges that impact its ability to deliver efficient and humane jail services. Chief among these are jail congestion, which compromises living conditions and security, staff shortages, which strain daily operation and reduce the quality of service, and limited space for rehabilitation programs. which hinders the agency's efforts to reintegrate PDLs into society. Despite these difficulties, the BGMP also encounters significant opportunities for growth and reform. Legislative support, such as increased budget allocation and jail reform bills, can strengthen the Bureau's capacity to expand infrastructure and improve personnel welfare. Additionally, public-private partnership offer resources and expertise that can be used to enhance programs, services, and facility development. Technological advancement provide further opportunities, enabling improved security, digital record keeping, inmate monitoring, and virtual education or visitation. This innovation contribute to more efficient manage and better condition for inmates and staff. With sustained reform and support, the PGMP has the potential to transform the Philippine jail system into a model restorative justice, focusing not only on custody and security but also on the rehabilitation and reintegration of offenders. And last is the conclusion. The BGMP remains steadfast in its mission to ensure a safe, secure, and rehabilitative jail environment across the Philippines. Despite various challenges that the agency continues to evolve through modernization, policy reforms, and innovative practices aimed at improving the welfare of PDLs at the professionalism of its personnel. Looking ahead, the BGMP is focused on several key areas, professionalizing its ranks through continuous training and recruitment, upgrading infrastructure to address congestion and safety concerns, and expanding inmate programs to support rehabilitation and reintegration. It is also committed to promoting a culture of accountability, transparency, and compassion, which is essential to building public trust and institutional integrity. Through these sustained efforts, the BGMP plays a vital role in upholding peace, justice, and inclusive development in Philippine society. Its contributions extend beyond detention. They are part of a broader vision of restorative justice that prioritizes human dignity, rehabilitation, and social integration. So, yun lang mga buddy, ma'am. Thank you sa pakikinig.